Hey, what's going on YouTube? I'm out here with my DJI Tello with the Gamesir T1D remote, doing the first night flight with this bad boy. Alright, so let's do it. You guys haven't seen the lights on this Tello before? Check it out, man. Alright, let's do this. Now, I don't have my cheat sheet with me, so let's see if I can remember how to take off. Alright, okay, we got that, and I'm still able to use the screen to record, so let's do it. I can also use the buttons to record too. Alright, first night flight with this bad boy, man. Oh yeah. Hope you guys checked out the first flight with this thing. It's awesome, man. Alright. Let's go. Check out those birds, man. Flying south. Actually, not flying south. Coming back, I guess. Oh yeah. Alright. This thing is awesome, man. Flying with this remote. A little windy, so it could get tossed around a bit. Look at this thing, man. I love this. Alright, let's go a bit higher. Check out the night view on this thing. Not bad. Screen's pretty clear. A little windy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, these lights, I love them, guys. You guys should check out the install, man. Very simple. Go for a little run with this thing. It's pretty low. Go up a bit. You guys see those lights? And this is all powered with the Tello's battery. At first I had another battery connected to it. Then I used the USB port, using the power from the Tello's battery to power this thing. Oh yeah. You guys can see the lights. You should be able to. I can see them nice and bright. Thing with this Tello, man, it's pretty light. Oh, watch that thing there. Things with this thing, it's awesome with the brakes. It takes another split second to stop, but it's all good. That's the Tello. And the wind took it a little bit there. If you're gonna fly this indoors, you gotta stop pretty early. Look at that wall there. Yeah, man. You guys see that Tello all the way over there, guys? Alright. I think this remote is a must buy. Alright. Let's get a good look at you. Nice. Check it out, guys. Alright. Back in a few. Don't go anywhere. Alright, here we go again, guys. It's a little darker in the schoolyard. Alright, check how bright these lights are. Woo! Super bright. Alright. Take it around. Oh yeah. I put this thing on slow. Why did this drop? Error code. Oh, the battery on the Tello is super low. Alright, well that's it. Yeah, I should have charged it up a bit more. Well anyways, that's it. Check how bright they are, guys. Well, see you guys on the next video, man. DJI Tello, Gamesir T1D remote. Have a good one, guys.